Okay, today I'm going to be printing this simple square just for levelling purposes. Let's just see how it fares. That sounds good. Well, it didn't seem to be coming out. Oh, it's coming out there, look. Right. Let's see how it feels. That's okay, it's good. There's this one. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, it's good. So, with it not coming out, what we need to do when it happens is we need to move the dial anti-clockwise, because that moves the nozzle away from the bed. So what we do, we feel the nozzle here, we move it, feel these notches on there, just move it 2, 1 and then 2, anti-clockwise. Okay, and let's see what that does. Okay. Right, printing the square again with the adjustment. See what's going on. It's still coming out. Is it coming out? There we better. That's still alright. Sometimes when you adjust one corner, you can affect the other, but that one's alright, the other diagonal corner. So it's coming out a bit more. So what we do, go to the instructions again, moves the nozzle closer to the bed. No, we don't want that one. No, we want the other one, the anti-clockwise. Moves the nozzle away from the bed. So just do what we do again. I think we'll call it another 2 notches, anti-clockwise. So it's 1, feel the thumb. Actually, I felt 2, so that's 2 notches. Okay, and let's see what that does. Okay, take 3.